Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp contact names not showing on both iOS and Android. So let's get started. Now, if you're an iOS user and experiencing the issue of only seeing numbers and not contact names, it's probably because you haven't granted access to your contacts. Now, you can address this by going to your iPhone settings and then navigate to Privacy and Security. And once you're in that section, locate and tap on Contacts. Then you need to check if the switch next to WhatsApp is turned on. This action will grant WhatsApp access to your contacts, enabling the display of contact names instead of just numbers. This adjustment will contribute to a more personalized and improved user experience on the app. If you encounter the issue of WhatsApp appearing grayed out on your iPhone, then it's essential to navigate potential restrictions. Now go check your iPhone settings, specifically under screen time and content and privacy restrictions. You need to ensure that there are no limitations affecting WhatsApp. If there are any restrictions identified, can always make necessary adjustment to grant WhatsApp the access it requires. If WhatsApp continues to be grayed out or is nowhere to be found on your iPhone, you might need to think about restoring your iPhone. For guidance on backing up and restoring your info without any fuss, you can check out the Apple Support website. And that's it for our iOS users. Now, if you are Android device user, then here's what you can do. First, you need to go to your phone settings, then locate and tap on the Accounts and Backup, followed by Manage Account and select WhatsApp, and you need to choose Remove Account and confirm the removal. After that, open WhatsApp, click on the new chat icon, tap for more options, and select Refresh. This quick process should help restore contact name on your WhatsApp list. If the previous steps didn't work, it's possible your phone settings are causing issues for WhatsApp, so you may wanna open Settings, go to Apps, and find WhatsApp and access permission. You need to ensure that all permissions are turned on, and if the issue persists, contact your phone's manufacturer for assistance with your device security permissions.